Now that Diwali is about to knock on our doors, it's time to ask ourselves, are we Diwali ready? After finishing the Clean the House movement initiated by our beloved mothers, it's high time we start decorating the home. Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to DesignCafe's YouTube channel. I'm Ananya Jois, your interior architect, and today I'm here to give you some offbeat DIY home decor ideas for you to decorate your home this Diwali. Diwali is the festival of lights, and what could be a better way to brighten up your house than decorating it with diyas? Mason jar light stand adds a quirky new vibe to our traditional diya. You can take any glass jars of different heights and fill it up with flowers or carnations or even decorative leaves. We could also wrap it up with decorative tape and simply place a candle inside. Doesn't this look pretty easy to do? The dining table is set with all our yummy festive foods. Now, to add an extra bit of sparkle to your dining table setup, here's a quick 2-minute DIY with wine glass, flowers and tea candles. Place glasses of different sizes upside down, add some flowers into it and place a candle on top. We could also place pretty fairy lights inside, and voila, we have pretty looking dining table setup right here. All our puja festivities are incomplete without a Puja Thali. You can ditch the boring old trays and amp it up. All we've used is empty plain trays, some pretty chart paper or fabric even, some paint, gold dust, and kundan beads to add a dash of festivity. Put it all together, and here we have it. The easiest way to add a dash of festivity to your space is by setting up your center table or your coffee table with some fresh flowers. Here's a few simple ways of decorating by using a brass thal. Add some water, few rose petals, and float away tea lights. Add a garland of chrysanthemums for a pop of color and set up the space around it with more flowers and candles in different heights. Do let us know in the comment section below as to which DIY decor idea you love the most and you would definitely try it at home this Diwali. Diwali Eve is so much fun with friends and family, and I'm sure that these DIY Diwali decor ideas is going to make your festival a fun and memorable one. A very happy Diwali in advance to you and your family from Team DesignCafe. Are you Diwali ready? I know I am. Until next time, see you all.